Today, we remember a man who redefined what it meant to lead with humility, courage, and compassion. These are 15 things you didn't know about Pope Francis. From tango dancing to international diplomacy, his life was full of surprises. And number 15 might just shift how you view leadership forever. Welcome to Pick Yourself for Success. We're here to help you step out of your head and into your greatness. Number 1. He was the first Jesuit pope. Jorge Mario Bergoglio was the first member of the Jesuit order to become pope. Jesuits are known for their scholarship, missionary work, and radical vows of simplicity, values that deeply influenced his approach to leadership. Number 2. He was the first pope from the Americas. Born in Buenos Aires, Argentina, Pope Francis made history as the first pope from South America, the Southern Hemisphere, and the first non-European leader of the Catholic Church in over a millennium. Number 3. He had a background in chemistry. Before becoming a priest, he studied chemistry and worked in a food science lab. He brought both scientific thinking and spiritual depth into everything he did. Number 4. He lost part of a lung as a teenager. After a severe infection, he had part of his right lung surgically removed. It didn't stop him from living a full and active life of service. That resilience, rising in spite of limitations, is something we explore deeply in our book, Pick Yourself for Success. Number 5. He chose the name Francis with deep purpose. He selected the name in honor of Saint Francis of Assisi, known for his devotion to the poor and to peace. The choice sent a powerful message. This papacy would be about humility and compassion. Number 6. He once worked as a nightclub bouncer. That's right. Before the collar and the cassock, he was working the door at a club in Buenos Aires. A pope who once checked IDs and kept the peace. How many can say that? Number 7. He loved tango and classical music. He grew up dancing the Argentine tango and had a deep appreciation for composers like Bach and Mozart. He understood that art and rhythm feed the soul. Number 8. He cooked his own meals. Even as a cardinal, he lived in a small apartment and preferred to prepare his own food. He didn't just preach simplicity, he lived it. Number 9. He took public transportation. Rather than traveling in limos, he regularly took the bus or subway in Buenos Aires. Even in Rome, he was often seen riding in a humble Ford Focus. Number 10. He lived in a Vatican guest house. He declined the traditional papal apartments and chose instead to stay in Casa Santa Marta, a modest guest house inside Vatican City. He said he didn't want to live in isolation. Number 11. He washed the feet of outsiders. In a bold break from tradition, he washed the feet of Muslims, prisoners, women, and non-Christians during Holy Week, a gesture of radical inclusion and love. Number 12. He was a lifelong soccer fan. He supported the Argentine team San Lorenzo since childhood, and even as Pope, he stayed loyal, receiving a personalized jersey after his election. Number 13. He embraced Instagram. His official account, @Franciscus, gained millions of followers. Though others helped manage it, he personally approved many of the captions and messages shared with the world. Number 14. He helped broker peace between nations. In 2014, Pope Francis played a crucial behind-the-scenes role in re-establishing diplomatic relations between the United States and Cuba. Quietly, he made history. Number 15. He envisioned a church for the poor. He often said, "I want a poor church for the poor." He sold assets, challenged wealth within the church, and called for leadership that served rather than ruled. Pope Francis led not with grandeur, but with grace, not with power, but with presence. He reminded us that greatness doesn't always wear a crown, sometimes it wears humility. If this story moved you, and you believe in stepping into your own greatness through purpose and service, we invite you to check out our book, Pick Yourself for Success. There's a link in the description area. It's a guide to unlocking the leader within, even when the world tells you to play small. Like this video, share it, and subscribe for more content that honors legacy and elevates leadership. And always remember, greatness isn't given. You have to pick yourself for it.